The night I entered his house, I knew my life had ended there. My name is Lily Carter. I am 22 years old, and I have been married to Marcus Hale for 1 year. My father said, "He's a businessman, Lily. He will protect you." And Marcus did, but only from the world, not from himself. Marcus didn't like noise or surprises. He liked control. He looked at me on our first night and said, "This house has one rule, Lily. Everything happens my way." His world ran on secrets. Calls came at 2 a.m. Men in black suits visited at night. Sometimes he left and didn't return for 2 days. When his deals went well, he was kind. He brought me gifts, diamonds, dresses, perfume. He'd say, "My queen deserves peace." But when a deal went wrong, everything changed. The house turned into a war zone. He'd slam doors, throw glasses, break things. Never me, but close enough. He shattered everything around me, the glass, the chairs, the walls, and left me trembling in the middle of the mess. I'd pick up the pieces in silence, crying quietly so he wouldn't hear. He'd sit in the corner, smoking, eyes red, whispering to himself, "Everyone betrays me. Everyone." One morning, his sister, Clara, came to visit. She was kind, nothing like him. She took my hand and said, "You must think he's a monster, but he wasn't always like this." We sat in the garden, and for the first time, I heard about his past. He had a wife once, 2 little boys. They died in a car explosion meant for him. He lost everything that day. I froze. He said he'd never love again, never marry again. But when I showed him your picture, he said maybe hope can live again. That night, I looked at Marcus differently. He wasn't just cruel, he was broken. But broken men with power are the most dangerous kind. It happened 3 months later. The police broke through the gates. Marcus didn't even run. He kissed my forehead and said, "Don't open the door for anyone. I'll be back." They took him away in handcuffs. For 1 hour, I thought I was free. But then his sister called. "Lily, he's already out." The case disappeared. That's when I understood. Marcus wasn't just powerful, he was untouchable. When he came home that night, he looked at me, half amused, half cold. "Did you think I'd disappear that easily?" I didn't reply. He stepped closer, his voice low. "Remember, Lily, the only prison that exists is the one you create in your head." One night, after another failed deal, he came into my room quietly. He looked tired, older, softer somehow. "Lily," he said, "you don't deserve me. I ruined your life." My throat went dry. "Then let me go," I whispered. He smiled sadly. "If you ever leave, you know what happens. You have seen too much." He walked out, leaving the door open behind him, but somehow I felt more trapped than ever. After a few days, Marcus left for a meeting. He came to me and said, "Don't wait up, it might be late." That was the last time I saw him. At midnight, the phone rang. Clara's voice was shaking. Lily, there was an explosion. His car, it's gone. Marcus is dead. I had dropped the phone. The sound echoed in the empty house. For a moment I felt free. The guards disappeared. The house grew quiet. For the first time, I opened the windows and breathed. I even smiled again. I thought the curse had ended. A month later, I was cleaning the study, the one room I had never entered before. The curtains were dusty, the books untouched. I opened a drawer to wipe it, and there it was. A note, my name written in his handwriting. My heart stopped as I opened it. Lily, if you're reading this, it means they think I'm dead. Don't believe it. I had to disappear. I'll come for you when things are done. M. The paper slipped from my hands. The air vanished from my lungs. He wasn't dead. He was coming back. It's been 2 weeks since I found the note. The house is silent again, but it's not peace. It's the silence before a storm. Sometimes I look at the sky and whisper, if you're alive, Marcus, please don't come back. But deep down, I know he will, because men like him never disappear. They wait, plan, and when they return, they take back everything they think they own.